Today we're making a strawberry shortcake smoothie. This may take you back to your childhood days with those ice cream pops that tasted like strawberry shortcake. We love this recipe, and the secret to it is frozen riced cauliflower that gives it a creamy consistency, and it's a great way to add veggies in.
This is my favorite smoothie. I also love turning it into smoothie pops too.
You guys do love those smoothie pops. Let's get to it.
This is delicious.
I love it as a smoothie pop.
For this recipe and more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.